What's the meaning of admissible? Admissible. 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 The term admissible refers to something that is allowed or accepted according to certain standards or rules. In a legal sense, it means evidence that is permissible in a courtroom and can be considered in a trial. In mathematics, it refers to a property of certain functions that satisfies a particular condition. Admissibility can also apply to a variety of other fields where criteria must be met for something to be considered valid or acceptable. Overall, the concept of admissibility involves meeting established criteria or standards to qualify for consideration or acceptance.